Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best drone camera under $200 available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best drone camera under $200, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. Aoft Technology GEPRC Bot 25 Drone. Integrated external design, equipped with reinforced carbon plate and modified material for one-piece injection molding at the bottom. The shock-absorbing protection cover of the camera provides better stability for footage shooting. Two power versions are available, the regular one with speeds to 1404 motor and the superior one with speeds to 1505 motor. The Type-C and boot button on the rear makes parameter adjustment convenient. Optimized silicone T-shaped antenna fixing component. SynBot 25 light quadcopter equipped with a Li HV4S 720 mAh battery that weighs less than 250 grams. Equipped with the new Taker G445 AIO, the G4FC has a stable flight computing capability. An integrated 45 ABL32 escape possesses strong discharge capability that supports a refresh rate of up to 128 kpwm. The compatibility between O3 VTX and cabinet makes the installation of memory cards and footage loading easier. The customized fixing stand of the receiver simplifies the internal space. Diversify the selectivity of the battery with the comprehensive fixing method of aluminium components and straps. Number 2. RG106Pro GPS RC Drone 8K. GPS returns to the takeoff point with one button, returns to home with low power, and returns without signal. After the aircraft is connected to the GPS, open the app follow function, and the aircraft will move with the mobile phone 1 to 3 meters from the aircraft to identify the subject and automatically follow the flight. Within 1 to 3 meters from the aircraft, make photo gestures facing the camera. The aircraft will fly autonomously according to the preset route, and the player will focus on shooting. Find the center point of the surround, and then use the joystick to move the desired surround radius. Filters, video effects, adding background music, picture, video sharing. Number 3. G-Ainca GPS Drone. With 3-axis mechanical gimbal and electronic 4K image stabilization camera, the photos you take are more stable. 5G transmission and 120 degrees motorized lens allow you to view images and videos from previously unimaginable angles. The drone has an integrated TF card slot, which can hold memory cards up to 32 GB. We offer a 32 GB TF card. The drone is equipped with GPS satellite signals. If the battery is low, out of control or without signal, the plane will automatically return to the starting point, so there is no need to worry about losing the drone. Multiple intelligent flight modes allow the drone to fly automatically. These intelligent flight modes include follow mode, trajectory flight and avoid flight. The plane can follow you automatically by flying in a specific circle or around a specified point. Meanwhile, all you can do is use your creativity freely. 2 batteries can reach about 50 minutes of flight per charge. The brushless motor has low power consumption and works very well. Thanks to the foldable design and custom shell, the drone can be easily transported anywhere. To provide you with personalized customer service, you don't have to worry about using drones. We have professional drone customer service that will patiently teach you how to transform from a beginner drone to an unmanned aerial vehicle. Professional slot player. If you are not satisfied with the product, we unconditionally accept your return, so that your purchase is guaranteed. Number 4. ISHOWTIENDA US 135 RC Drone 5G. 5G brushless GPS folding drone with obstacle avoidance dual Wi-Fi professional aerial camera, front lens with wide-angle 8K high-definition Wi-Fi, bottom high-definition 1080p with optical flow switchable camera angle, precise positioning, ultra-long endurance 7.4 volts large battery, low battery, loss of control, over distance can return, intelligent tracking, waypoint flight, dual folding, APP mobile control, custom route, one-click return, ascent and descent, forward and backward, left and right side flight, headless mode, automatic switching of optical flow, GPS, LCD display, rechargeable remote control, brushing GPS, precise positioning, ultra-long battery life, low battery return, intelligent tracking, flying around points, with radar obstacle avoidance. Else number 5. Dadafun L100 drone 1200 meters. With foldable arms, it is compact and easy to carry. GPS positioning mode can provide more accurate flight. With videos, transfer images in real time through mobile phone camera. 8K HD camera can provide a variety of high-definition images and videos. With altitude hold mode function, it can provide stable flight. The orbital motion will make the plane fly in circles, providing a cooler shooting angle. Waypoint flight mode, just draw a route on the screen and use the helicopter as a given path. Flight time is up to 29 minutes. Headless mode, no need to adjust aircraft position before flight. One-click back function, you can easily find your way home. One-click takeoff. Landing. One button takeoff or landing automatically. The drone will take off or return to the takeoff position.